What's up, fam? Guess what? The Mustang has came back home. Let's go ahead and show you what the front end looks like, because compared to this picture, she definitely does not look like that anymore. So let's go ahead and reveal her. So in 3, 2, 1. Loud as hell. So let's go ahead and get her washed and finish up, and then we're gonna go ahead and reveal her. As you guys can tell, it turned out amazing. I'm really impressed with what they did at the body shop to make it look very clean. It looks actually better than when I bought it. Well, you know, now we just got a few more things we have to touch up, such as the roof. There's a couple of dots and pivots up on top of the roof that I still got to cover. We still got to get a passenger door, which I'm currently working on getting that very shortly. I'm hoping that I can get that replaced, and we still need a new rear bumper, because I don't know what happened here, but I let my buddy drive it for a while, and it looks like he might have crashed into a rock or something, but he hit it pretty hard, and there's a whole bunch of other bruising on with it as well. But I'm currently trying to get this Mustang back to looking fresh before I go and start modifying the outside of the car. We still are, like I said, it is a goal to find rims for those 305s, which I did find, but like I said, I'm not going to reveal it until I get them, and then that video will be the whole reveal on the back rims. We're gonna see what they look like, because I'm not gonna buy the front ones just yet until I know that I want those type of rims on the Mustang. I still want to go ahead and get the Euro lights. I ordered them before and they never showed. I guess something happened with Amazon. It just got refunded, never showed up. I had a late email regarding the rear lights, which I was really upset about. And then I still am running these blacked out 18-inch, I want to say 255s are in my rear. Yes, 255 45 18s is what's in the rear. And then of course I have my 235 45 18s in the front. It made it look pretty good. I mean, I get a lot of compliments for why am I driving with two different styles of rims, and I always use the excuses, those are my burnout tires, which they're gonna be. I'm still not knowing how much horsepower this Mustang really does make, because I bought it used already with the JLT and the BBK long tube headers. I'm really curious of how much it really does make, but trying to find the owner of this Mustang is very hard unless you are very popular on YouTube, and I'm talking about more than half the Joes out there. Eventually, hopefully, they will see this Mustang on YouTube and they'll be like, hey, that used to be my old car. It had 22s on it and they're all black rims. I took those off because every single rim was bent on this Mustang. I don't really care about the history of that. The history beyond the door, I would love to know about that, because whatever body shop did that, that's a poor Bondo job. But as we can see, I'm gonna go over the little thing that they did on this side. They did put a new fender on it, so this is the second time this fender's been replaced. A new hood, which I do have the new stickers. They messed up on this one, an accident, but I recalled them out and they shipped me a new one, so I got to get that one on there. This is eventually gonna go carbon. This is gonna go too. I don't know what I want to do with that just yet, but I know this reservoir is going away because I just don't don't like that in my car. It makes the car look ugly. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna put on an aluminum one from American Muscle. You guys will see that when that video comes. Other than that, I really don't see too much of a change. I don't like the orange/yellow or whatever you guys want to call this little reflector on the side. I want to change that out too. I'm gonna black that out. And then the horse used to be blacked out. Yep, it did. It used to be blacked out, but they replaced this whole entire bumper. Whole bumper's brand new. The headlight on this side is brand new. The fog/turn signal is also brand new. Stay tuned because the mirrors from Consumer Performance, I'll be wiring those up, and that will be on next Wednesday's video. So make sure you subscribe for that one, or if you're my OGs, make sure you have your notifications turned on, because guys, the Mustang build is about to. The Mustang build is gonna get way better with 2025. I already promised you guys that, and I have set my goals. I'm going to achieve those goals by making sure I do one thing every single month. But ladies and gentlemen, that is pretty much the announcement of the Mustang being home. Let me know what you guys think of it now. Does it look better? What can we change to make it look different than any other Mustang out there? The interior also is going to change. I do know a few people that do tint. Whatever tint this is, whoever did it, once again, not a very good job. And then last but not least, I do have my YouTube sticker coming. I might put my Instagram and my Facebook on both sides of the rears. That way I can get some more people following me. The Mustang looks way better, way better. I'm impressed with it. I just got to do a few more tweaks. The clutch has got to be replaced. I need a better clutch, like for sure. The timing in this Coyote is definitely going to be changed. I need to do lifters and rockers, and then I'm also doing the oil pump gear. We might do the oil pan, I'm not sure yet, but we might do that one because I hate the plastic pans that they put on these Coyotes now. They're just loud, that's all. And I'm going to do the IMCR delete. If you guys don't know what that is, I can make a separate video showing how this thing actually works and what it actually does for the Coyotes. It's also on Chevys now. It's on different cars as well. We'll go into depth on that one on a different video, but let me know what you guys think of it now. Does it look more presentable now that it doesn't have boo-boos all over the bumper and over the hood? Like I said, this is the only spot that we got to fix. As you can tell, it just came out of the car wash, so all of these spots right here are definitely paint chips, which I definitely need to fix. And then passenger door needs to be replaced. Let's see what 2025 is going to bring within the nearest future. If you guys are new here, thank you once again for at least viewing the video. If you guys can do me a big favor and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side. Leave this video with a thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the section below. I do answer all automotive questions on my Friday Q&A videos. And share this with all your friends and family. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you in the next banger.